Hey, here's a quick demonstration of everything this Victorinox style Swiss Army knife USB flash drive multi-tool can do. It's a mouthful. So I'll just go through each one by one. First, obviously the flash drive swivels out. It's a 64 gigabyte capacity. Read speed's about 24 megabytes per second. Write speed's about the same, maybe a little less, 23 megabytes per second. You can pull it out. You just want to keep it separately. Stick it back in. And clasp up here at the top. It's a keychain for you to keep track of it if you want to take it with you everywhere. Some of the cooler features. This one comes with a bottle opener. But on top of the bottle opener, there's a Phillips head screwdriver. If you can see that. Same thing with the nail file. It's a nail file, but more importantly, flathead screwdriver. Some other videos in the playlist will demonstrate those features. In addition to those, we have some scissors. So, obviously, just small scissors, but they cut perfectly. There's a knife. I don't really have anything to cut, but you know, basic knife functions going on there. Let's see what else. See a ballpoint pen. It comes out of the side when you push this piece. And there's not too much ink in there, but yeah, I guess I should have written it backwards, but that works. Moving right along. LED flashlight. It's not very high powered, but if you're in a very dark room, you can kind of see what you're doing. It's not a laser pointer, more of like a very low level flashlight. I think that's mostly it. Yeah, you have the nail file, bottle opener, the light, scissors. These are probably the hardest thing to get out. Scissors and the blade, and obviously the USB drive. So I sell this online on my eBay store. You can check the link in the full description below the video. Let me know what you think, and thanks.